Welcome to Travel Tales, where we make travel easy, fun, and stress-free for everyone. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a 2-week adventure, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're tackling one of the biggest challenges of family travel: how to keep everyone happy, relaxed, and entertained. Trust us, these tips are lifesavers. From packing hacks to keeping the kids entertained, we're breaking down the top 10 strategies to ensure your family vacation is smooth sailing. No more tantrums, no more stress, just pure fun and unforgettable memories. Ready to transform your next trip? Let's dive in. Plan ahead, but stay flexible. First things first, planning is key, but don't overdo it. Create a loose itinerary with must-see spots, but leave room for spontaneity. Overplanning can lead to stress when things don't go as expected. Instead, focus on a few key activities and let the rest flow naturally. This way, you'll avoid meltdowns and enjoy the journey. Pack smart, not heavy. Packing can make or break your trip. Make a checklist for each family member and stick to it. Roll your clothes to save space, and don't forget essentials like chargers, snacks, and a first aid kit. Pro tip: pack a separate bag for daily outings so you're not lugging around everything. Less baggage, more fun. Choose kid-friendly accommodations. Where you stay matters. Opt for family-friendly hotels or rentals with amenities like pools, playgrounds, and kitchenettes. Having a comfortable base will make it easier to unwind after a long day of exploring. Plus, having a kitchen can save you money and keep picky eaters happy. Keep the kids entertained. Long flights or car rides? No problem. Pack a travel kit with toys, books, and tablets loaded with their favorite shows and games. Snacks are also a must. Hungry kids are cranky kids. Keep them entertained, and you'll have a peaceful journey. Set a budget and stick to it. Money stress can ruin any vacation. Set a realistic budget for food, activities, and souvenirs, and track your spending as you go. Look for free or low-cost activities like parks or local festivals. Remember, the best memories don't have to cost a fortune. Take breaks and relax. Don't try to cram too much into one day. Schedule downtime for naps, pool time, or just chilling at a cafe. Everyone needs a break, especially kids. A relaxed family is a happy family. Capture memories, but live in the moment. Photos are great, but don't spend the whole trip behind the camera. Be present and enjoy the experience. Assign one family member to be the designated photographer, so everyone else can fully immerse themselves in the adventure. Be prepared for the unexpected. Things don't always go as planned, and that's okay. Have a backup plan for rainy days or unexpected delays. Pack a small emergency kit with essentials like extra clothes, medications, and snacks. Being prepared will help you handle any curveballs with ease. Involve everyone in planning. Get the whole family excited by involving them in the planning process. Let each person pick an activity or destination they're excited about. When everyone has a say, they're more likely to stay engaged and happy throughout the trip. Focus on quality time. At the end of the day, family vacations are about bonding and creating memories. Put away the phones, play games, and enjoy each other's company. These moments are what you'll cherish for years to come. And there you have it, 10 tips to make your family vacation stress-free and fun. With a little planning, flexibility, and a positive attitude, you can create an unforgettable trip for everyone. Now it's time to start packing and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Love these tips? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Travel Tales for more travel hacks, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Share your favorite family vacation tip in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy travels!